Hello friend, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm setting up a small comfortable corner at home for painting. At the moment I'm having some issues with my studio and I'm looking for a new space, but I don't know how long that will take. Instead of waiting for perfect conditions, I decided to work with what I have. This year I didn't make many big plans, I just want to keep moving forward and developing. Last year, I was trying to stand on my feet in a new country as quickly as possible, and somewhere along the way, I forgot to notice what I had already achieved. This year, I want to be more present, not because it sounds romantic, but because I realized something important. No matter how much you do, it will never feel like enough if you constantly measure yourself against expectations. There will always be people ready to criticize you. You don't need to do that job for them. Last year was honestly difficult. Building yourself in a new country comes with many challenges. Sometimes there are small things, like trying to buy frames for my paintings and being refused advice by another artist. Sometimes they are bigger, like participating in the exhibition and seeing my name written incorrectly. Those things happen, and they probably always will. I'm not saying this to complain. I'm saying this because this is part of the path. The most important thing is continue working and to keep doing what you love. My advice is simple. Make art even when you think it's bad. Make it even when others are convinced it's bad. Nothing arises easily, unless you were born into very fortunate circumstances. I often hear people say someone was in the right place at the right time. What we don't talk about is how many doors they knocked on before that, and how many times nobody answered. When I first started taking art seriously, during my first year at the academy, I would look at artists I admired and feel completely discouraged. Their work seemed unreachable. Then I started scrolling back to their earlier posts and I saw something different. Imperfect work I could already understand and sometimes even repeat. That's when I realized everyone starts somewhere. You don't need a huge result immediately. The beginning is always the hardest part. Make one sketch, then another. After 10, 20, 100, it will be better. I promise. Life wouldn't be interesting without difficulty. This corner looks good to me. It's enough to start, isn't it?